If you're looking to get into the design world or you want to start your freelancing career, you usually need to apply to clients with a portfolio. How do you do that if you don't have any experience whatsoever and you're just getting started? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 tips to use to get your first real-world client. Hey guys, it's Arne. I'm a freelance designer helping you take your freelancing to the next level. So if you have absolutely no work to show and you want to get into the design world, the first thing I would recommend is to get a fake project. The reason is no one's going to hire you if you don't have a portfolio, and you need a portfolio to get hired. So it's a bit of a cat and mouse game. So the website I use to get fake briefs is called goodbrief.io. I'm going to show you how to use it right now, and it's super easy. The first thing you want to do is go into goodbriefs.io. And so the first thing that you see when you go on the Good Briefs website is 2 tabs. One is type of work and the next one is industry. If you're looking to do logo work or brand identity work, then you're going to want to click that. If you're looking to do billboards or packaging, then you can click that as well. I'm just going to go for logo because it's the easiest thing to showcase right now. And in industry, you can click from 10 different options, or you can randomize it. I'm just going to click a randomize so we can see what it's capable of. We click generate, and it gives us the company name, the company description, the job description, and it also gives you a deadline. So by giving yourself a deadline, it makes it feel a bit more real, and it gives you some more pressure to finish that project instead of just putting it off and leaving it to the last minute. So here it gives you a job description, and you want to follow that to create your own logo. After doing that, you can then put that in your portfolio, or you can just set it aside and create more. That's the beauty of this website, that you can create as many as you want. You can just click generate again, and it'll give you another one. This is a great software to use, so I would definitely recommend that. The next tip I would give you is only showcase the kind of work that you want to be hired for. So if you want to do logos or if you want to do packaging, then only do that kind of work. It doesn't make sense to do UI, UX projects if you want to be hired for branding, for example. I wouldn't do that. So only be sure to do those projects if you can. The next tip I would say is a bit controversial, but I would consider working for free if you have absolutely no experience. Now, why I say that is because you need to prove yourself before you can start charging clients large amounts of money or even small amounts of money before they even start putting their trust in you. Now, the reason why I would consider working for free is because everybody needs to start somewhere. I wouldn't do a long-term project, for example, but I would definitely do a short-term project that would allow you to talk to a client, find out what they need, find out how they need it, and really implement those solutions into your work. So the first thing that you can try to do for working for free is you can ask friends and family if they have any design work that they need, considering your talent and your area of expertise that you want to work in. If you want to do logos, for example, or UI, then try to find someone that has that problem and is looking for a designer. Say that you can do the work for free, but only for a short time. And obviously this isn't the way that you usually work, but this is just so you can get your foot off the ground. You definitely want to lead with value if you're trying this method, and definitely ask for permission to the client always before putting this work on your portfolio. So another tip that I would consider if you have no work is remixing already done designs. So for example, if you want to work on logos, then I would find a logo of a company that you really like and completely redoing it, adding a different color scheme, adding a different type, adding a different layout, for example, adding just about everything. Change whatever you can, redo it, add your own twist to it, and then I would definitely post it on social media. You don't need to have a design specific social media, but just post it on your regular social media and show people what you can do. This might get people's attention, and it might even lead to potential customers or clients. So if you're just getting started in freelancing, I would consider watching this video because it shows you how to make a free, legally binding contract that protects you and your client whenever you do get that first real client. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, guys. Leave a like if you gained any value from this video and if I helped you at all. I'll see you guys on the next video.